To remove the hard drive, first remove the access panel. Detach the power and data connectors from the hard drive. Pull out on the metal drive release, tip the rear of the hard drive up, and pull the hard drive out of the drive cage. If replacing the hard drive, detach the 4 Torx 15 shock-mounted screws on the sides of the hard drive and reserve. To install a new hard drive, attach the 4 Torx 15 guide screws to the sides of the hard drive. The 4 side screws on the hard drive align into slots on the drive cage. When replacing the hard drive, align the screws farthest from the connector edge of the drive into their slots, then tip the rear side screws down into their slots until the drive retaining latch snaps into place. Replace the power and data connectors to the hard drive.